Today, I'm going to talk about communication. For us to be able to communicate effectively, what we need to understand is the communication process. We need to define communication for us to improve our communication skills. Right here, I have the communication process. What I have to start with is the definition of communication. There are so many different definitions of communication, but in this context, we would want to define communication as a two-way process whereby information is sent from one person who is the sender, through a channel to another person who is the receiver, who in turn reacts by providing feedback. Right? According to this definition, we can see that communication happens between two or more people. Hence, we are saying it is a two-way process, whereby one person is good to give someone information. This information, we can also refer to this as the message that the sender wishes to communicate or to send to the receiver. So, what the sender does is he thinks of a message, right, which he would want to send to another person. And that person must understand the message and then provide what is known as feedback. Okay, so these are the important keywords that we need to understand when we define communication. One is there is the message, right? There is the sender, there is a channel, there is the receiver, and there is also what is known as feedback. Okay? So, practically, when a person is communicating, they wish somebody to respond or to act in a particular manner. So what they do is they are going to encode. They are going to encode, that is, they are going to put a message through previously agreed symbols. What are our previously agreed symbols? Previously agreed symbols can be anything. It can be a diagram, it can be even language. Okay? For example, I can speak. Maybe I'm speaking in English. Okay? That's the previously agreed symbol, which means the receiver of the communication would also recognize the what? The language that I'm going to use to communicate. And when the message has been encoded, it must be put into what is regarded as a channel. Okay. What is the channel? The channel would be the physical carrier of the message. Right? For example, I can send an email, or I can write a letter, a fax, etc. That is the channel, that is the physical carrier. Or I can decide to do an interview. I can decide to do an interview, or I can decide to talk to a person face to face. So that's the channel. The channel would carry the message to the receiver. The receiver must then read the message, listen to the message, and then they are going to react appropriately and give what? And give the required feedback. Feedback would be the response or the action that is taken by the receiver. So basically, this is how we would define communication.